Good morning. This is February 9th, 2013. It's 7:10 in the morning, and we have just we're on the backside of the snowfall and the blizzard of 2013, or Winter Storm Nemo. We've had anywhere from about 18 to 22 inches of snow. It's hard to measure because of the wind, but the lowest number we got was 18. So we'll put it about 20. So we're supposed to have got about 20 inches of snow. We still have, we're in like a light snow right now, and we had snowfall rates last night. I guess about 3 inches per hour or so, 3 to 4 inches per hour, and sometimes mainly 2 inches per hour we got. But we're just walking down the street here, and everything is just basically, you know, covered. The plow hasn't been down here, and look at this. They're up to my boots in the street, so the plow hasn't been down here in a long time. But he came down here. This is weird. But about 18 to 22 or 24 inches, you know, depending on where the drifts are. And, you know, it just looks very nice. It's on the trees and everything. Also on the trees, before we had all the snow, we had a good about an inch or 2 inches of sleet that came down very heavily before it changed over to extremely heavy snow. We had a few rumbles of thunder. Didn't see any lightning, but we had a few thunder claps, and definitely had plenty of snow. We're in West Side of New York, and looking at the end of the blizzard of 2013. I bet you the whole town's going to be at the sledding hill in a few hours, probably by noon or so. But I mean, you know, we've had winds up to 60, 70 miles per hour, and light snow currently coming down with about a 20 to 30 mile per hour wind. And temperature is about 26 degrees. When the wind blows, the trees are so encased in ice, I don't really want to move. There's a neighbor's house over there, my footprints. It really depends on where you are in the road. Some spots the plow hit better with the contact to the road than as it did, like say over here, where I'm more than ankle deep, and then over here, where it's about an inch or two. The expressway and Sunrise continue to be shut down. The railroad has shut down service on Port Jefferson and Ronkonkoma lines, as well as east of Spionk on the Montauk line. And then it's where we are. Morning after, we're going to clean up and then head over to the sledding hill and have a good afternoon. This is meteorologist Matthew Mastriani reporting from West Side, New York. 7:13. Have about 22 inches of snow. Signing off.